Hi, welcome to my channel. Let's spread love and positivity. Today's topic is habit and the language is English. So, what is a habit? The reaction or the behavior which we do repeatedly for some action happening in the environment or to us is habit, which sometimes comes from subconscious. Not sometimes, maybe most of the times comes from subconscious. So, we doesn't even know that we have these kind of habits. Now, let's say habit. What are all the habits are there? Like there are lots and lots of habits. I will give you some example here. Waking early or late is a habit. Biting nails is a habit. Using mobile phones often is a habit. Using shower only for taking bath, not the bucket, and wasting so much of water is a habit. Jogging is a habit. Cycling is a habit. Exercising is a habit. Cooking is a habit. Whatever you do regularly is a habit. It can be anything, even expectation. If you do regularly, it is a habit, which is dangerous, of course. Next, we are going to see the power of habit. The habit will, of course, change your lifestyle. It decides your lifestyle. Whatever the habits you have, that decides your lifestyle. So, if you have most of the good habits and the powerful habits, that will give you the most powerful lifestyle you wanted and which will be helpful for the environment and it makes the world a better place. So, there are, of course, good habits and bad habits. Let's say okay, before visiting good habits and bad habits, I wanted to tell you guys how to find a habit. So I wanted to know myself, right? If I want to know myself, I wanted to know what all the habits I have. So how to find the habit? I have to go revisit all the places I mean, all the reactions I gave for all the actions which happened uh, in a day or past life. So when I go and revisit, I know, okay, I have reacted like this, I have did this, and I can also write it down so that I will not forget. Then if I write it down and I see, I know, okay, these are the habits I have. I have to either improve or I have to I'm actually good going. I can able to identify whether I'm in a right direction or not. So these are the powers of habits. I can also give you an example. Let's say I have 100 rupees found somewhere. If I go directly to a fast food stall and get some fast food and eat it, which is bad for our health. And if I have the same 100 rupees and I go give some needy person, then that is also a habit, which is good. So there are actually good and bad habits, right? So how to find a habit is good or bad? So we can tell that eating fast food is not at all a bad habit, right? But why it is a bad habit? It is going to damage your health. So whatever is destroying you or destroying the environment or this world or the society is a bad habit. Whatever is not destroying anybody's life or even yours is a good habit. So, for example, let's say we know what are the benefits of rising up early. We already have a video. I will attach the link in the description. You guys, if you not have visited that, go and check it out. So we know the benefits of rising up early. So that one habit is going to change your life very much positively, which is a good habit. And let's say I'm using more of plastics, which is not only bad for myself, which is going to be a huge destruction for this world, which is a bad habit. Eating fast food or using mobile phones or any devices often is also a bad habit. So how to find a bad habit and good habit is this technique only. We have to analyze and we have to check whether it is destroying this, it is contributing in destroying the world or yourself or anything. So you have to based on that decide it and eliminate bad habits and increase the good habits. Next topic is about how to add a habit to your life and or how to remove a habit from your life. So don't miss it. Subscribe my channel and share it with everyone, your friends, families. Let everybody knows the power of habit and they go in a right path. Will start the motivation to people. Will give the appreciation. Will give the positivity to all over the world. Will share it. Start from will start from us and yeah. Thank you. Let's see. Bye.